Hey guys, welcome to another video lecture related to angle and measurement. Here I am going to see uh, different type of sums. So let's start with the first one, that is two arcs of same length subtends angle of 60 degrees and 75 degrees at this circle. What is the ratio of the radii of two circles? So here it is given that there are two circles and with a different radii but of same arc length. So here from the given we have s1 is equal to s2 is equal to s, as here arc length is same. Now moving ahead, we have given with thetas that are in degrees, but theta 1 is equal to 60 degrees and theta 2 is equal to 75 degree respectively. So we know that s is equal to r theta for s1, that will be equal to r1 theta 1, for s2 that will be equal to r2 theta 2. So here from the given we have s1 is equal to s2, so we can equate these equations. Let it be 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2 we have r1 theta 1 is equal to r2 theta 2. But here there is one problem. Here the angles are given in degrees, but we have to calculate in radian. As this formula before stated, this is applicable only for the theta in radian. So we have to convert this in radian. So we have theta 1 is equal to 60 into pi by 180 radian, that will give us pi by 3 radian. Similarly for theta 2, that is theta 2 is equal to 75 into pi by 180 radian, that will give us 5 pi by 12 radian. So we have the two angles and we have one equation, that is equation number 3. So substitute these values of angles in this equation. You will have, so substituting for r1 into theta 1, that is pi by 3 radian, that is equal to r2 times 5 pi by 12 radian. So this pi get cancelled, 3 ones are 3 fourths are. So we have to calculate ratio of radius, that is r1 as to r2. So r1 as to r2 is equal to 5 by 4, as here 5 and 4 are remaining. When this r2 is shifted to LHS, it gets divided to the gets divided to this r1 term. Now we'll move ahead with another question, that is, so let's start with another question, that is Oab is a sector of a circle with center O. Let me draw figure simultaneously. So we have the center of a circle, namely O. Assume this as a circle. So here this is the center O and area OAB. We have a sector OAB. So OAB. Now, and the radius is 12 centimeters. So OA and OB will have 12 centimeter. Measure of angle AOB, that is AOB, is given 60 degrees. So here we have 60 degrees. Find the difference between the areas of the sector AOB and triangle AOB. So for the triangle AOB we have to join this, so we'll get a triangle. So basically we have to calculate this shaded portion. Now here only the formula is given, the difference between the area of sector AOB and the area of triangle AOB. So area of the sector AOB is given by half of r square theta, and area of triangle AOB, that is equal to root 3 times 4 into side square. Here this is an equilateral triangle actually, as this angle is 60, this OA and OB are equal, hence this angle would be equal, that is equal to 60 degrees. Now if this angle is an equilateral triangle, we have OA is equal to OB is equal to R, that is equal to 12 centimeter, and we have given that is measure of angle AOB, that is equal to theta is equal to 60 degrees. We have to calculate this in radians, so 60 into pi by 180, that will give us pi by 3 radians. So we have theta now in radian, and the measure of angle OAB, that is equal to measure of angle OBA, as the sides in front of them are equal, so these angles are equal. Now we have values of r and theta, and side square, that is radius only, so we'll substitute and calculate r. So we have area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. As before stated, the formulas will substitute the value, that is half into side square, side square not r square, that is equal to side only, so half of 12 square into theta, that is in radian, that is pi by 3, subtracted by root 3 by 4 times side square, that is 12 square. So you can do it easily, so 12 square is 144, that will take out from this equation, as this both are having common, and we'll take 2 also divided by 2 common out, as this is 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 4, we'll take 1 by 2 common from here, yet it will be left with root 3 by 2. So we have now pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. So now that will be equal to 24 pi minus 36 root 3. So here we can take common out 12 into 2 pi minus 3 root 3 square centimeter. Never forget to give the units for the given question, given answer, otherwise your marks will be reduced. It contains at least half mark for giving the units. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me. Thank you.